behavior.
Waboo!
Here with Model Behavior TV.
What's up, everybody? Stereotypical Stereotype reviews, and today we are doing it different. I'm actually doing the review with my cell phone. I'm just sitting outside. The mail came, so we'll just bang it out. Knockaround sunglasses. I got these sunglasses for $8 a piece because they were on sale, and so let's check them out. So that's cool. Right away, they come with their own case. So we got two in there. So I paid like $16, maybe $4 for shipping, so like $20. They came in about five days maybe. For some reason yesterday they were stuck. They were supposed to come yesterday, but they didn't make it yesterday, but I got them today. So these are just the white. It's got basic white with blue. They got the Knockaround logo on them. Right there. So yeah, that's those ones, basic white, and these ones are glow in the dark. I have a shirt that glows in the dark, a Slimer shirt from Roosevelt. Am I wearing it? I'm actually wearing it right now. So yeah, so I got these to go with these. Anyways, so yeah, I'm sure they'll be fine. They're only $8 if you lose them. Pretty decent. They have a lot of cool other ones too that are like special. They're like $35. There's like G.I. Joe I saw, and there's a cool robot one, and something with like TV. So yeah, that's it. They look cool to me. So yeah, this is how they look. Hit that like and subscribe, all that stuff. I don't really have a lot of subscribers. It's sad. Look at my content. It's fun. It's trippy. You know, like, I never really got into YouTube and maintaining it and all that. I just make my videos, throw them on there. People want to watch them, watch them. If not, don't. Like, comment, subscribe. That's all I'm asking. Please.
Hey out there, this is Skeet Ulrich. That's me. I'm here at Rock and Shock outside of Boston and Worcester. And you're watching Model Behavior, which looks like this.